Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Which of the following statements is true about raw printing with Samba? Option A. Print jobs are submitted as vector files, including font files, which are rendered and printed by Samba. Option B. Printing jobs are always submitted to Samba in raw PostScript. Option C. Any printed file, e.g., an office document, is submitted to the printer without any further processing in exactly the same bit sequence as it is stored on disk. Option D. Samba converts printer-specific jobs to raw data to make them printable on an arbitrary printer. Option E. Printing jobs are rendered on the client and passed on to the printer by Samba. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option E. Printing jobs are rendered on the client and passed on to the printer by Samba. Question 2. The configuration of a Samba share contains the following line. Force directory mode equals 0555 if a client creates a new directory with the permissions 0750. Which permissions will the resulting directory have in the Samba server's file system? Option A. 0755. Option B. 0750. Option C. 0200. Option D. 0555. Option E. 0777. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. 0555. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.